Okay, welcome to week 3 of Introduction to Medical English. This is where we start actually really doing some work. Up till now it's just been sorting out computer problems and just getting a feel for Edmodo and stuff. But from here on in, week after week, we are going to be looking at different body systems and diseases. We may not cover all the body systems, and we're certainly not going to cover all the diseases, but we will have the opportunity to look at some of the major systems and some major diseases in both ordinary English and medical English. So over the next 10 weeks we're going to explore various body systems and some of the common diseases related to each of those systems. Excuse me. This is going to require you to do a lot of self-study. There is no way around that. There are huge subjects, each and every one. But then after all, that's what being a university student is all about, compared to being a high school student where the teachers feed you the knowledge with a spoon. At university you find the knowledge for yourself. So let's begin with what could be termed as the nectar of life. Blood. Okay, blood is a big subject. Well, they're all going to be big subjects, but we're only going to skim on it. So what we're going to do is have an overview of the blood components, what blood is made of. And blood is made of many things, and some of the main components, or most important components in a way, that we're going to concentrate on are things called erythrocyte, or erythrocytes in plural, means more than one. Red blood cell, red blood cells. Leukocyte, white blood cell. Leukocytes, white blood cells. Thrombocytes. These are called platelets. And a process called homeostasis. Okay, so a very brief kind of overview of blood. Blood accounts for about 8% of the human body weight, obviously depending on your size. And it's very close to the density of water, pure water, not salt water. The average adult human being has a blood volume of around 5 litres. That's 1.3 gallons. Obviously, any injury that causes blood loss, that will change. But a human being can lose almost 20% of their blood, that's about 1 litre, before they notice, really. And they can lose almost 40% of their blood volume, 2 litres, before serious clinical things, a condition called shock, sets in. And we'll look at shock later on. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to look at what blood is made of. But we're going to take a little break just so that you can review what we've already spoken about.